maps, missions, and a warming world. Let the globe-trotting begin. 15 questions are waiting for you. Which country is shown on the map, famous for the Amazon rainforest and its huge role in storing carbon? The correct answer is Brazil. The lungs of Earth, no pressure, just planetary breathing. Which country is shown on the map, well known for vast wind power and low-lying land vulnerable to sea level rise? The correct answer is Netherlands. Built against the sea, with engineering swagger to spare. Which country is shown on the map, often linked with geothermal energy and dramatic volcanic landscapes? The correct answer is Iceland. Volcanoes causing trouble and helping out. Classic overachievers. Which country is shown on the map, home to the Great Barrier Reef, a famous ecosystem threatened by ocean warming? The correct answer is Australia. A continent country with coral drama on a grand scale. Which country is shown on the map, famous for the Paris Agreement adopted in its capital in 2015? The correct answer is France. One city name became climate shorthand. That's branding with purpose. Which country is shown on the map, known for building a major national strategy around living with floods and river water? The correct answer is Bangladesh. When water keeps visiting, resilience becomes an art form. Which country is shown on the map, often highlighted for producing nearly all of its electricity from renewable sources? The correct answer is Costa Rica. Tiny country, giant renewable bragging rights. Fair play. Which country is shown on the map, famous for the shrinking Aral Sea disaster shared with a neighbor? The correct answer is Kazakhstan. A sea shrinking on purpose? Humanity really had notes to take. Which country is shown on the map, home to Tuvalu's Pacific neighbor and often cited in sea level rise discussions across island nations? The correct answer is Fiji. Tiny on the map, huge in the climate conversation. Which country is shown on the map, noted for vast boreal forests and melting permafrost in the Arctic? The correct answer is Russia. When frozen ground starts thawing, the plot thickens fast. Which country is shown on the map, famous for large-scale reforestation efforts after severe deforestation in the 20th century? The correct answer is South Korea. Proof that forests can make a sequel worth watching. Which country is shown on the map, home to Svalbard and often linked to Arctic warming research? The correct answer is Norway. Way up north, the climate plot twists arrive early. Which country is shown on the map, home to the Congo Basin, the world's second largest rainforest region? The correct answer is Democratic Republic of the Congo. Second biggest rainforest, first class importance. No understudy energy here. Which country is shown on the map, where the Sahel's Great Green Wall effort aims to combat desertification? The correct answer is Senegal. A wall of trees beats a wall of problems. Stylish move. Which country is shown on the map, home to the Sundarbans mangrove forest shared with Bangladesh? The correct answer is India. Mangroves are the quiet geniuses of the coastline. Which country is shown on the map, where Cape Town's famous water crisis highlighted urban drought risks? The correct answer is South Africa. Nothing sharpens water awareness like nearly running out. That's a wrap. The planet is complicated, but you made it look tidy.